Lychee Slicer 8.0 is now available for open beta. But before I tell you where to go download it, let me tell you about what's different from Lychee 8 versus any other version of Lychee Slicer. This story really begins 2 or 3 years ago when we discovered we have a bit of a problem. That problem has a name, and that name is Electron. Electron is the engine that Lychee Slicer essentially ran on top of. However, this is code that's not owned or operated by Lychee. It's used for applications like Discord and many other. The problem with Electron is it really wasn't designed to be used for a slicer, but the biggest issue is it's a bit of a black box, so we can't really see what's going on inside of it. So 2 to 3 years ago, we started developing our own engine we're calling App System. And that's what makes Lychee 8 so different from any other version. It's the very first version of Lychee Slicer where it's using our entire new engine. Now, what does this mean? Well, so far, by just switching out this engine and nothing else, we've seen, in some cases, a 6x performance for slicing, a 2x performance for the auto-supporting, and a 2x performance for the island detection systems. Now, these performance increases sound impressive. However, you really need to understand that these systems are designed to work with Electron, not with the new app system. I just need you to think for a second and imagine what happens when we rebuild all of these tools. And we're gonna rebuild every tool in Lychee to work natively with this new app system. Which brings me what we need from you. What we need you to do is to download and try out the new Lychee Slicer 8. To download it, head over to the Lychee Slicer Discord. There, you're gonna see a channel called New in Lychee. Open that up and you'll see the download for Lychee Slicer 8. From there, when you install it, you can actually install it to a different directory than Lychee Slicer 7, so you can have 7 and 8 installed on the computer at the same time. For me, I just create a desktop icon or one in the toolbar for Lychee Slicer 7 and Lychee Slicer 8, so I can pick which one I want to run at any time. Now, the last thing we need from you is to test it out and give us your feedback. You can give us our feedback right here on the YouTube channel, over on the Lychee Slicer Discord, or under help within the program itself. You can actually submit a bug or feature request right there. And with all your feedback, we're really looking for 3 things. The first one would be bug fixes. Help us identify them as well as prioritize which bug fixes get first. The second one is existing features. We'd love to rebuild all of Lychee Slicer right now and get all the advantage we can out of the new engine. But unfortunately, there's going to be the feature we build first and the feature we build last. And we need your help to prioritize which ones go first. And the last one is new features. There's been a lot of features we've simply been unable to build up until now. So give us a list of what new features you'd like to see, and we can prioritize those ones and get those going as well. The goal here isn't just to move as fast as we can, but to prioritize things that affect you, the customer, the most. Ultimately, our objective is to have the fastest, most stable, and most featureful slicer in the entire planet. And with your help and support and feedback, we can absolutely get there. And not in 2 to 3 years. The hard part is mostly done. You're gonna see that things start to move forward a lot quicker now that Lychee Slicer 8 is in open beta. Just to incentivize you a little bit more, there's 2 new features coming in Lychee Slicer 8.0. The first one is the ability to add keys into your cuts. You can add 1 key, 2 keys, square keys, round keys, or you can even add magnets. You can add magnets and keys into every single cut. The second feature is an enhancement to the repair tool. Due to Electron, there were some types of geometry issues we just couldn't fix before, and that has been resolved in Lychee Slicer 8.0. And I'll be creating future videos where I go over these new features in detail, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so when those videos come out, you get notified. With this announcement, I also hope it makes one more thing a little bit more clear. And that would be why maybe it's felt like Lychee Slicer hasn't been listening to you over the last few years with your feature requests and bug fixes. A lot of that has to do with the fact that our main developers were working on this new engine, and also the fact that we really couldn't see what was going on in Electron and make it really, really hard to solve some of these problems. So hopefully with this new Lychee 8.0 and over the next few months, you're really gonna see that we have been listening to you this entire time. We've just been trying to get to, well, where we are today, so we can finally start getting all these things out to you and out the door. I also want to say thank you. Thank you for sticking with Lychee Slicer this long. This last 2 to 3 years has been really a huge challenge. It's been a challenge because all this work has really been under the hood. It hasn't been very visible to you, the customer. So again, thank you for just sticking with us. And I really hope this next 2 to 3 years is going to be something absolutely phenomenal. As always, thank you for watching and have yourself a fantastic day.